Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to clone applications on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. To clone apps, you have to open Settings. Then in Settings, go to Apps menu. Here select App Cloner feature, agree to statement of use, and then here you'll find the most used applications for cloning. Those are obviously social media and messengers, so that you can use two different accounts for each messenger on the same phone. And to clone an application, either this one or the one from available ones in the other apps menu, you just have to tap on an application and switch the toggle to the right. You can also rename the app clone by tapping right here and providing the new name for the application, and you can select which app to open when you tap on the applications icon, and you can choose between always asking you, original app, or app clone. And to find your app clone, you have to go to the home screen and to look at the very end of it. Here you'll be able to see the cloned application, and here is the original one. And the default app to open, I didn't explain this, but this is which app you want to open for opening external links that lead to this application. So which account you want to use to open these external links. So yeah, and that's what you're choosing here. And to disable the cloned application, to delete the cloned application, switch the toggle to the left and then click delete, and the clone of the application will be uninstalled from your smartphone. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.